Hi, SMS boys and girls. It's Mrs. Griffith reporting to you from my wolf den. There's Hero. Hero's my wolf pet. And there's my granddaughter. She's already taken advantage of reading in the cozy wolf's den. I decided I wanted to read you some stories from the den. All kinds of different stories. Stories that you could listen to at any time of the day, or if you wanted to listen to them at bedtime. I have some other fun activities too. I have stuff that we can talk about, activities that might be if anybody is feeling worried or having some concerns about this situation that we're all in. So stay tuned. I'll be reading some, maybe starting tomorrow. Bye. Take care. Signing off from the Wolf's Den. Say bye. And bye, Hero.